guys vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. You don't want to be on camera, do you?
Oh, wow.
Good morning, guys. So it is like 8 o'clock in the morning. Hope my alarm isn't on. I'm gonna try it. Alright, so I'm letting my little dog out, but it's early in the morning, sun's shining bright and stuff. It's cold as crap outside, but today I actually am going to go to the chiropractor to get my first adjustment. Now, I'm gonna explain everything in the car because it's early and I gotta get ready. I'm kind of late already, so we're gonna go get ready. I'm gonna make some breakfast real quick, you know what I'm saying? And then, yeah, let's do this. Alright, so I got a question real quick. I got a friend that always talks to me about me putting syrup on my eggs. What do y'all put on y'all eggs? Y'all put salsa? Y'all put ketchup? Y'all put syrup? What is it? Let me know. And then put it in the comment section or something, you know what I'm saying? Putting syrup on your eggs is not weird. Do it all the time. All the time. Alright, what is up, guys? I'm back in the car with my mom. We headed to the chiropractor now. And actually, before this vlog gets started, you know, today's the day after Christmas, so I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. Hope y'all had a good time with y'all fam, y'all friends. Y'all had a good little bonding time for the holidays. Also, since my last video, I had my braces. I had my retainer on all day, every day, and now I only wear it at night, so you won't see that anymore. No retainer. But, yeah, so today we're doing a couple things. What we doing today, Ma? We're going to the chiropractor.
Yeah,
then
so
you're going to the dentist.
I believe in a clean mouth. So, got to make sure that you take care of your teeth.
Facts.
Nobody wants to kiss somebody with a nasty mouth.
Okay. Extra.
But I'm just saying, that's why you go to the dentist.
It is.
You don't want halitosis.
Regularly. Halitosis, you don't want that.
See? Those are pretty. They might not be all the
Extra.
way white.
Anyway, she going to the dentist today.
Going to the dentist.
And
then we have to take my son.
take you out to the Barnes and Nobles or whatever to
for
get a book.
One of his girlfriends.
No, I don't know who it's for, but if he get a book and he don't read, so we gonna figure that out. But yeah, so we got a little couple things we're doing today, and we gonna hit you when we get to the chiropractor.
I need to hit this Starbucks though, so I can.
It starts at Barnes and Nobles. Gotta get the Starbucks. Well, actually, the chiropractor.
No. I'm going to get Starbucks before Barnes and Nobles because I need a breakfast sandwich. I'm hungry. I have to take my medicine. So, breakfast sandwich, coffee, medicine, dentist, chiropractor, Barnes and Nobles.
Cool.
Nap.
In and out.
Then
we hang in with more family.
bonding
More
time.
family because it's the holidays, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And the chiropractor, a lot of these videos, the first time getting their adjustments are usually because like they just like going to the chiropractor and stuff, or people just like to try it out. I'm actually going for another reason. I'm not gonna talk too much about it on camera because I don't like, you know, talking about it too much. But I got into a little car accident, got hit from the back, been in a little pain, so we hitting the chiropractor. Go ahead and get my back fixed up, get it right. They're gonna crack me up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't come here to watch us talk. You came here to watch my back get cracked. So, you know, so we finna go do, alright? Hey. That good light. Hold up. Open this light real quick. Oh, that good light. Uh-oh. Alright, so, amen, say man. We are at the dentist because we had to leave the chiropractor early. We had to leave early because we went in there, our appointment was at 10 o'clock. I didn't go back there until like 10:15, and then they had us sitting there for like 15-20 minutes waiting for the doctor to come in to look at my x-rays. It was supposed to be a quick 30-45 minute type appointment, but we didn't even get, like, no one even spoke to us. It was like 10:30, no one spoke to us yet, and now I was going to take another 15 minutes for my therapy, another 5-10 minutes or whatever for my adjustment, 10 minutes looking at my x-ray, so we already knew it was going to be too long, so we had to leave. At the dentist now, she getting her teeth cleaned or whatever. I'm in the car. I'm going to take a nap, probably, honestly, because I'm sleepy. So, we're going to do that, whatever.
also have, let's try that toasted white chocolate mocha. Yes, ma'am. Let's do a top.
Y'all want to try it too, or y'all want to go on mine?
You can try it. It sounds good.
It does. I'm going to try the toasted white chocolate mocha as well. That's all.
Well, the line is super long.
See, normally I get that caramel frappuccino, but not today. Switching it up. It's not bad.
I have
Strong coffee taste though.
Three more days after today.
There's nothing covering the coffee taste. Ain't no flavor. At this point, all coffee tastes the same. Like, one coffee that tastes different is like ones that are like drenched in caramel. For me, at least. I'm gonna go back to my my ultra caramel frappuccino.
I can't believe you're drinking coffee. I don't like coffee.
Cause it's like I'm getting used to it now. I think it's like my taste buds changing or whatever. Getting used to it, but like it don't even taste like flavor. It just tastes like coffee. Yeah, I told him we were on the way back to the house. All right. I was putting on Snap. What you doing? Oh, I'm dead. He don't even know what kind of books he's looking for, so I'm gonna go in here and help him. Cause he don't know nothing about books like me, you know what I'm saying? The reader over here. What's the last time you read a book, Eli?
Second grade.
Thank you. You holding it up? Alright, so we finna go to the poetry books first, right? All the drawings and stuff in it? It's different. The people like do poetry and they have like the different visuals they do with it. They write poetry in different like stanzas.
I don't know what that is.
So is that what?
What is that?
I don't know, fam. But that was one you didn't get? It's a cute book. Alright.
For her, with her, because I am her. So are you.
Alright, cool. We got one book down. Straight.
Oh, I'm tripping.
Alright, now you want to get a scientific type of book?
Scientific.
You want to get like, this is my section right here, teen fiction, fantasy. But
Fiction, fantasy.
yeah, adventure. So we can go this way for your other book. What you looking at?
This might be a good book for her.
That book? It's like a kid book.
The Journal for Practicing the Mindful Art of Not Giving a... No, that's not a kid
The
book.
Journal for Practicing the Mindful Art of Not Giving. I'm dead. That's funny.
Okay.
Never thought I'd see the day.
Yeah, man, I'm new man.
New man out here buying books and stuff. Uh-oh.
What's your quick writing routine? Anytime that you come into the office, you'll sign in, you'll put the clipboard in that top bin facing towards the wall. And then they will basically come out here and get you set up on the table, okay? So where are you having most of your pain at right now?
Right now it's mostly in my lower neck, like
Lower neck, so down up in here?
yeah, I got a bad headache thing, like kind of hurt my neck a lot, like my upper back, like top of it.
Up in here?
Yeah, like right in the back part, like
Okay.
down some, right there, yeah, right,
Right up
there.
in here?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the only time that you get to have heat on you, FYI. And it's never on you for an extended period of time. So once I take the heating pad off, let's just see what we have going on. Since this is your first adjustment, I always start off really slow. So drop your arms. Just let them rag on right there. This piece always drops out.
Oh, it feels weird.
Yeah, it's a really weird feeling when that that little piece drops out. But the only thing to make sure is that you're not trying to tense up during your adjustment. So take a deep breath in. Blow it all the way out. Deep breath in. Blow it all the way out. Pressure. Impulse. There you go. Always start off really slow for your first adjustment. And you said it's more
Right there, yeah.
right there. Okay. Look up. Is this piercing new?
No.
Okay. Always ask. Yeah. I didn't even have to do nothing. All thing I had to do was roll you over. Alright, now I'm gonna have you flip over to your back.
Okay.
So next time that you come in, we're gonna work in the hips all the way up. If you notice that you're having any like shoulder pain or ankle pain, make sure you let somebody know.
You guys vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. You don't want to be on camera, do you?
She's not on
I didn't have to do nothing, did I?
I legit love
I
vlogging.
didn't even have to do anything, did I?
You did it, but it's cracked.
Uh-huh. So whenever you hear that little bit of sound, I don't want you to think that something is moving out of place or anything like that. It's literally just the joint in between those two bones releasing the gas. It's literally like when we crack our knuckles. That little bit of gas has been released. So after you get adjusted, most of the time you do feel a release. Make sure you drink plenty of water. Make sure that you're icing. But don't get out here and try to do all the same things that you used to do.
Yeah,
Okay.
I learned it the hard way.
Yeah, don't do
I
that.
had
Okay.
to sit down somewhere.
Yeah. All right. So you can head on over to therapy, and we'll get you out of here. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, come on in. I'm gonna take you on to table 5.
Alright.
I actually love vlogging. I legit
Alright, so I'm back in my room, back from the chiropractor. The chiropractor, honestly, it felt good for a minute, but it didn't make me feel super amazing like everyone said it was going to be. It wasn't all that amazing, but it released my pain for like a couple of minutes or so, then kind of came back. But what did happen, though, like I had an excruciating headache like the entire day. Like, I know in the video I've been smiling and stuff and walking around, but it's just how I am. I'm not too big on showing my pain and stuff, but like I've had like the worst headache the entire day. But after my adjustment, my headache kind of went away. So my headache's pretty much gone, but the pain in my back and stuff is still there. So yeah, so that's my first adjustment and how I'm feeling. And I'm ready to go back, because when I go back, they're going to do like they're going to go up with it. They're going to do like my hips and up. So I'm going to get the full experience of the adjustment or whatever. Yeah, so that's that. And then today when I got home, had a package in the mail, you feel me? So, like getting mail. Ooh, been waiting like 2.5 weeks for that package though, so it's a little late.
Robin ain't going for that.
Excuse me.
Robin barely keeps out here. She will pull it out while I'm doing it.
Is she cute?
You gotta take pictures. I can't take them.
Some pictures. Hey, Auntie. The video.
I'm just gonna be there. Picture.
It's a video.
It's a video.
It's a video. Bro.
Hey, yo.
You headed out in the morning?
I think I'm